morning student, this is 14th lesson, Parliament and Central Government. Parliament and Central Government. This is Parliament and Central Government. We observed some of important points, main points. In the year 2009, the Parliament passed the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act, law in order to ensure that all children get equal education. The government which rules the country implements the law made by the Parliament for the development and welfare. The Parliament also provides income and expenditure of the government. There are two houses of Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. There are two houses in Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The members of Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people, while Rajya Sabha members are elected by the members of state legislature. Rajya Sabha can have maximum of 250 members. The Rajya Sabha members are elected for the term of 6 years. In ordinary, law need to be passed by both the House. Lok Sabha exercises more power in money matters. So, Parliament Lok Sabha is more powerful in the money matters. Finance bills are approved in Lok Sabha. Elections in Lok Sabha are held for every 5 years. All citizens who are of 18 years or above can vote in the elections. All citizens who are 18 years or above can vote in the elections. There are 545 Lok Sabha seats. There are 545 Lok Sabha seats. An election commission was set up to conduct the elections in a free and fair manner. Not all laws are made by the Parliament. Not all laws are made by the Parliament. The central list subject on which laws can be made only by the Parliament. The state list subjects on which laws can be made only by the state legislative assembly. The MLAs of all states and members of both houses of Parliament elected the President. Who is our President? Present President of India, Ramnath Kovind. He was elected by the MLAs of all states and members of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. After the law are passed by the Parliament, they can come into force only after the President gives his assent by sign them. Then after it become law. The cabinet functions as the executive wings of the government. So these are some of the important points in this lesson.